Hey folks, I want to show you how to get QuickBooks Time entries from QuickBooks Time or TSheets into Ressio. So I've got this time entry here that I'm going to save. And then in QuickBooks Time, I'm going to go to my time entries and approvals, and I'm going to go approve these particular shifts. So once I've approved these shifts, now I can export approved time into QuickBooks Online. So this is going to go from QuickBooks Time into QuickBooks Online. Then, as I go over into QuickBooks, right, we're going to see all of my time entries here show up under time activity on that particular project. Now, all of this information should reflect all my previous shifts over that particular time and the associated billable rates. Once that information is complete, back in Ressio, what we can do is click Sync Expenses, and that will pull in all of the QuickBooks Online time activities. That will show up here in our actuals column on the particular budget under a status of imported. So just to kind of refresh, we're going to go from QuickBooks Time to QuickBooks Online to Ressio. And that is the recommended path for users that are using QuickBooks Time today. Ressio can push time entries from its platform into QuickBooks Online, but QuickBooks Online cannot push time entries into QuickBooks Time.